Welcome aboard. So we decided to come out to the boat on this fine Friday, July 3rd, 2020. We're getting the boat prepped for taking it out tomorrow. It's going to be fun. Always a fun day on the water. So it's very important to actually clean your boat, and what we use is McGuire's boat wash. You can pick it up from Walmart, Target, basically anywhere, even Amazon. It's so nice out here. We would have taken out the boat today, but we thought it was actually going to be storming right now. But we decided, hey, we're just going to make a boat cleaning day for the day. So yeah, stay tuned for my pearls of wisdom when we get back to the house. I'm just sweat right now. I checked the engines, and engines are all good. So I always do the pre-flight checklist. So stay tuned. So we made it back to the house, and it was hot. It's hot today. It's 93 degrees. The weatherman was lying to us. So I mean, it was supposed to be storming like crazy in St. Augustine right now, and it's nice blue skies and partly cloudy. So my inspirational quote of the day comes from Buddha: what we think, we become. So in life, if you think you're going to be a failure, you'll probably fail. But if you think you're going to be successful, and you do your best, and you go out there and knock it out of the park, you become that. So always think into the future. I'm exhausted. I was sweating like crazy, and I mean, I'm fine now, but 93 degrees doing boat work. And then I put tape in the engine bay, because the engine bay, I put when I put my depth finder, I had to go through the engine bay to run the wire, so exhaust fumes end up getting in through that into the cabin. So I was able to tape that up. So besides cleaning, I actually fixed that as well. So if you like these videos, like and subscribe. We're going to be out in the boat tomorrow, July 4th. Probably stay out mid-morning to early afternoon. Stay away from the crazy people. So there's going to be a lot of crazy people in the water tomorrow, so I intend to stay away from all those people. But as again, stay safe, like and subscribe, and I'll be talking to you on the water soon. Ciao.